Hi my friends, welcome to another recipe today. So if you are a lover of Moimoi, I'm sure this video is going to interest you because I'm going to show you another easy route for you to eat your Moimoi with less stress. This time around you're not going to stress or sweat over removing the skin of the beans before you can make your Moimoi. Now if you're interested, keep watching. Ta-da! We're going to use lentils today to make our moi moi. Lentils are very rich in the B vitamins. They contain the folate, they are rich in iron, rich in potassium. They have very, very high content of protein. So you see, you can never go wrong if you use your lentils to make your moi moi if you're a moi moi lover. Okay, let's get started. So all you need to do is to soak your lentils. Soak it for at least an hour. More is okay because lentils are very, very dry. And if you don't soak them in water, your moi moi might come out dry. So in order to mitigate against that, we have to soak it a little bit for at least an hour before we blend. Now from here on is the same process. The same way you prepare your regular beans moi moi is the same process you're going to follow in this one. So I just put it in my blender and then you add your ingredients and you go blend. So I'll just allow you to watch because the process here is the exact same thing. So at this point, it is open-ended. You can keep it basic. You can decide to be extra. It's totally up to you. Okay, so after blending the lentil, you're bringing it. So we now have a very beautiful lentil batter. Okay, and now put them into my little containers, my ceramic plates with cover. So at this point, feel free to use whatever mold you want to use to cook your moi moi. Sometimes I will use the foil to wrap. If you have the moi moi pouch, go ahead. At this point, just be you. So the whole idea is to find a container to put the moi moi in order for it to steam bake. So here I've already boiled my egg, so I'm just putting half boiled egg in each of the plates. So you can choose whatever protein of your choice to add. Like remember, you don't need to do extra, you don't need to do much because lentil is very high in protein already and is also high in the B vitamins, potassium. That is a rich food on its own. So being extra here is just not necessary, but if you want to, why not just be you and feel free, okay? So after that, I now covered the plates and I added water in the pan and also cover the pan. So we just allow it for another 30 to 40 minutes to cook with the steam. And occasionally I came to check to make sure the water is not dried out. And if it was going down, I will add more water. I also check my batter to make sure if it is properly cooked. So in order to guide us here, just leave it for about 30 minutes. So from 30 minutes, you can start checking and make sure it is properly cooked. So I came to check, and here my lentil moimoi is cooked. Very delicious. Lentil moimoi, lentil on its own has its own unique taste. It's naturally tasty, so you don't even have to do much, and you already have a very yummy tasting moimoi. Moimoi simply means lentil cake, bean cake, so to speak. But this time around, it is steam cake. Okay. You can also use the baking method. I already have lentil moi moi, the baking method, the baking recipe, so you can scroll down and see how I made it. Okay, and enjoy. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.